Nude Project. You've probably seen their hoodies, t-shirts, and those super stylish jackets. But the big question is their website nudeproject.com actually legit? Or is it one of those sites you should be careful about? Let's dig in together. First things first, I checked their domain info. Guess what? The site has been around since 2020. That means they've been running for more than 5 years now. And honestly, that's a good sign. Scam websites don't usually stick around that long. Having that kind of track record shows commitment and trust. Next up, social media. Nude Project isn't hiding in the shadows. They're super active on Facebook and especially on Instagram, with over 1.4 million followers. That's huge, right? It shows they've built a real community and actually interact with people. When a brand keeps posting, sharing, and engaging, it usually means they're the real deal. And here's something even cooler. The founders, Alejandro Benlock and Bruno Casanovas, have been featured in Forbes. Yes, Forbes. That's not something you just buy your way into. It really adds to their credibility and shows they're serious about what they're building. Now let's talk about stores. On their website, they've listed actual shop locations in cities like Amsterdam and Madrid. And you can even click links that take you straight to the exact spot on the map. That's another green flag, because think about it. Scammers don't usually invest in physical stores in big cities. But wait, what about reviews? I didn't find any on their website, so I checked Trustpilot instead. They've got a 3.7-star rating with over 7,000 reviews. That's quite a lot. The reviews are mixed but mostly positive. People love the quality of their streetwear, the designs, and even mention having great experiences in their physical stores. Some did complain about shipping costs or customer service hiccups, but overall, most customers seemed happy. So, what's the verdict? With a domain that's been running for years, a massive social media presence, founders who've been recognized on Forbes, physical stores in major cities, and mostly positive reviews, I'd say nudeproject.com is definitely legit. If you're into stylish, creative, and comfortable streetwear, it's worth checking out. Alright friends, that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to see more reviews like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Catch you in the next one. Peace.